Salutations, this is Godot with Yaboe. I'm Yaboe, and in the last video we made a cube spin. Now we'll make the stupid thing move. Go to Project, Project Settings, and Input Map. So you can see I've already done this, but this is take 32 and we're gonna do it again. Under Add New Action, type up, down, left, and right. If you don't use WASD, you can stop watching now because you're not a real gamer. For up it's gonna be W, for down, S, and by now I hope you get the gist. Great, now you can close, go to your stupid script, and let's make another export variable. Let's name it move speed, it'll be a float, and a default value of 10. Now, this is going to be really simple, but just in case you're a programmer noob, we're going to make an if statement. It goes if, parentheses, input dot is action pressed. That essentially means, are we holding it down? Now, as you can see right here, Godot is smart enough to suggest our actions, but it doesn't show us our actions in order. That's because Godot is actually stupid. We're gonna type up, put a colon at the end, and enter. It's gonna auto indent for us, and this is our if statement. I'd like to note that you don't need to use parentheses in GDScript, but you do if you want Yaboe to be happy with you. Now, we just want to move up, as the action suggests, so we'll take position.y plus equals our move speed. Now, this will normally work, and it technically does, but you see, Yaboe has a GeForce RTX 4090, which is super uber fast, which means our cube would just fly off the page. To make this frame independent, we need to multiply by the delta. That's essentially it. Take this, copy and paste it a couple times, and now we will account for our other actions. We can change this one to down, this one to left, and this one to right. For the down, we just want to subtract on the Y. For the left, we want to add on the X. Oh, I apologize. For the left, we want to subtract on the X, and for the right, we want to add on the X. You see, even Yaboe makes mistakes, so don't feel bad if you don't get this right away. So you can see when we hit on the cube now, we see this move speed. We can adjust the speed right here to make it pretty slow. Press play, and it works. Perfect. So today we learned how to use the input map, we learned how to do if statements, and we learned why we multiply by the delta. Please comment below on what you want a tutorial on next. This has been Yaboe, signing out.